Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Sonata battery easily. First, let's prepare. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and some anti-corrosion grease. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, please wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the process. This simple preparation makes the job much smoother. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually found on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal and carefully remove the cable. Remember, always disconnect the negative terminal first. Then, repeat this step for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both are snug. You're almost done. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and tighten it firmly to prevent any movement. Next, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both the positive and negative terminals. This helps prevent corrosion and extends your battery's life. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores offer free recycling, ensuring environmental responsibility. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.